First of all, I'm using the Beautify by Amna's Porfade primer. It nicely covers my pores and I love this product to use as a primer. फिर मैं Alezem Beauty का Luxurious Beauty Oil ले रही हूँ, which is a very nice, sweet scented citrus किस्म की इसकी smell है. I take like 2 to 3 drops क्योंकि मेरी skin oily है तो मैं ज़्यादा oil मुँह पे नहीं apply करती. I am using Alezem Beauty की Ultra HD Foundation. Yes guys, this foundation is lighter than my shade. Like एक या दो shade ये light है, but trust me, मैं पहली बता रही हूँ, so I don't get any hate on my comments and whatsoever. उसके बाद I'm taking the GlamGirl Pro Conceal and I'm using that as my concealer and I'll later on blend it out with the help of a blender. For setting my face, I'm taking GlamGirl का ये है translucent powder. It's my favorite powder these days. I love to bake my face with the help of it. Then for contour, I'm taking Christine की face contouring kit. I'm making sure that the foundation which has been too light for me, उसको मैं किसी तरह adjust कर लूँ अपने face के accordingly. फिर से मैं translucent powder लूँगी. Then I'm making sure my contour looks sharp and chiseled. This is a nice trick to make sure आपका contour neat लगे. You can always try this. Then for the blush and highlight palette, I'm taking this LA Girls So Cheeky palette और उसमें वाला blush shade I'll apply as my blush on. Taking the same palette and using this shade as my highlighter. Now moving on to the most interesting part, I use this Kryolan Aqua का liner है in the shade 510. It's a very nice blue liner and I'm going to create a wing with the help of it. You have to be very careful with it because ये water based liner है तो आप easily slowly इसको apply करें. I'll also take it in my inner corners और I'll apply a wing साथ उसके. Then for the Kajal, I'm taking the Master Drama Kajal Kohl Pencil by Maybelline. It's a very nice Kajal pencil. After Sweet Touch, this is my second favorite. Then I'm taking Volume Millions का So Culture something नाम है, कुछ और मस्कारा है L'Oreal का. I'm using this. उसके बाद I'll apply my Ash Beauty की lashes. Lipstick के लिए I'm taking Entice Cosmetics की lipstick shade है in the color Woodcraft. It's a very nice burnt orange, dark, deep orange kind of a shade. I really like it. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do leave a like and comment on this video. I love you all. See you guys with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.